Hi, beautiful summer blooms. Welcome to the summer garden of flowers. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make this 3D flower motif I just finished. I think you're gonna love learning how to crochet it. Whether you want to add the flower touch to your clothes or home decor, this design is perfect. So grab your yarn and hook and let's dive into creating this lovely flower together. Start with a magic ring. Wrap a yarn around your finger, make an X, insert your hook under it, and grab this tail of the yarn and bring it out and make a chain. This is our magic ring. Okay, now make 3 chains as a first double crochet, and then make 15 double crochet. Wrap the yarn around your hook, insert your hook into the ring, bring the yarn out. Now pull through 2 loops and pull through 2 loops. Again, for making double crochet, wrap a yarn around your hook, insert your hook into the ring, grab a yarn, bring the yarn out, pull through 2 loops and pull through 2 loops. Okay, now we're gonna making our 13 left double crochets until we receive to the desired 16 double crochet in the end. If you new in my channel and haven't subscribed yet, this is the perfect time for tap the subscribe button so you never miss a crochet tutorial from me. Okay, the last one. Now join with the slip stitch to the 4th chain here of the first. Now close the hole by pulling the loop here and done. Now cut the tail of the yarn and fasten up. I'll do it by my tapestry needle. Okay, insert my needle under the 3rd here stitch, bring it out and insert my needle again into the 1st stitch here and done. And now moving between the stitches very slowly and secure my tail of the yarn between them. Do the same thing for the tail of the yarn from the magic ring of the first. Okay, if you are enjoying this video and like my tutorial, give it a thumb and leave a comment for me. Okay, clip the tail of the yarns and for the next round, make a slip knot on your hook, then start from any stitches you like, insert your hook into the each stitch you like, bring the yarn out from there, make a chain and again make a single crochet in the same stitch. Okay, then make 3 chains and now go to the next stitch and make a treble crochet. For the treble crochet, wrap a yarn around your hook 2 times, bring the yarn up from the stitch, pull through 2, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Okay, again wrap a yarn around your hook twice, insert your hook into the same stitch, bring the yarn out, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops and pull through 2 loops. Okay, this is how we make treble crochet. In this stitch we must make 4 treble crochet in the same stitch. Okay, this is the 3rd one and the last one. Okay, now make 3 chains, go to the next stitch, make a single crochet in there, again make 3 chains. And now this is our first petal. For the next one, make 4 treble crochet into the next stitch. All the 4 treble crochets must make in the same stitch. Okay, now make 3 chains and make a single crochet into the next stitch and 3 chains. Here is our petals. All the petals must make by this way. Let me show you one more time. Make 4 treble crochet in the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then make 3 chains. Make a single crochet in the next stitch and 3 chains. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments below, or you can send me your message in my email. The link of my email in the description below. Okay. Do this diagram until the end. In the end, after that, you make your last petal and make your 3 chains. Join with the slip stitch to the first single crochet like this. This is our flower. Now, around the single crochet, make a back post single crochet. Okay, then make 5 chains. Let me show you. Look. Insert your hook around this single crochet between 2 petals. Here, insert your hook around it and make a single crochet in there and 5 chains. Do this for the all single crochet you have on your round. For the each single crochet, make 1 back post single crochet and 5 chains. In the end, we must have 8 back post single crochets and 8 chain 5 spaces. Okay, keep in mind that you must make this round with your petals color of yarn. Okay, okay. Now in the end, join with the slip stitch to the first single crochet, sorry. Cut the tail of the yarn and fasten off. Okay, for the last rounds and the square shape, bring your next color, make a slip knot on your hook, wrap a yarn around your hook, and go to the each chain 5 space you like, and bring yarn out from there, pull through 2 loops and pull through 2 loops. This is our first double crochet. Also, you can make 5 chains as a 1 double crochet and 2 chains. Then make 2 chains and make 2 more double crochet into the same chain space. Okay, then make 1 chain. Here is our first corner. Okay, then make 1 chain and go to the next chain space, make 3 double crochet in there, 1, 2 and 3, and 1 chain. Now for the next corner, into the next chain space, make 2 double crochet, 1, 2, 2 chains, 1, 1, 2, and again 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, and now make 1 chain, go to the next chain space, make 3 double crochet and 1 chain. Now into the next chain space, again make corners stitches, 2 double crochet, 2 chains, 2 double crochet and 1 chain. Now into the next chain space, make 3 double crochet and 1 chain, and into the next chain space, make 2 double crochet, 2 chains and 2 double crochet and 1 chain. Repeat this diagram until the end by making double crochets and chains. Into the next chain space, make 3 double crochet and 1 chain, and into the last chain space here, before the first double crochet, make 1 double crochet, and now join with the slip stitch to the first double crochet. If you made 5 chains, join with the slip stitch to the third chain. Okay, go to the chain space by the slip stitch, then make 5 chains for the last round 4, then make 2 double crochet into the chain 2 space, and now make 1 double crochet into the each next stitches you have on your round until you receive to the next corner, and 1 double crochet into the chain 1 spaces. Okay, then make 1 double crochet into each stitch and 1 double crochet into the chain 1 space. Okay, when you receive to the chain 2 space, just making 2 double crochet, 2 chains and 2 double crochet in there. Okay, the chain 2, make 2 double crochet, 2 chains and 2 double crochet. Again, in the other side of our square, make 1 double crochet into the each stitches and 1 double crochets into the each chain ones. Okay, do this diagram until the end. In the end, make a double crochet in the chain 2 space and join with the slip stitch to the third chain. Cut the tail of the yarn and fasten off. Okay, our cute little flower is all done. I really hope you enjoyed making it with me. If this tutorial helped you even a little bit, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe and say hi in the comments. It really makes my day. Love you all. Happy crocheting. See you next time. Bye.